Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where square root of x plus square root of 7 is equal to 7, or squaring both sides we can write here square root of x plus square root of 7 whole square is equal to 7 square, or now we know an algebraic formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. Now apply this formula here. We can write square root of x square plus 2 times square root of x times square root of 7 plus square root of 7 square is equal to 7 square. That means 7 times 7 is 49, or this square cancel out this square root, so here we will get x plus here we can write 2 times square root of 7x plus this square root cancel out this square, so here we will get 7 is equal to 49. Or now taking this x and this 7 to right side, we can write 2 times square root of 7x is equal to 49 minus 7 minus x, or 2 square root of 7x is equal to 49 minus 7 is 42 minus x, or again squaring both sides we can write 2 times square root of 7x whole square is equal to 42 minus x whole square, or 2 square, that means 4 times this square cancel out this square root, so here we will get 7x is equal to, we know an algebraic formula a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. Now apply this formula here. We can write 42 square minus 2 times 42 times x plus x square, or 4 times 7 is 28, so here we will get 28x is equal to 42 square. That means 42 times 42, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, here 0, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 4 is 16. Now add these two numbers, we will get 1764, so we can write here 1764 minus 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, and this x plus this x square. Or now taking this 28x to right side and changing side, we can write here x square minus 84x minus 28x plus 1764 is equal to 0, or x square. Now add this two number, we will get 8 plus 4 is 12, so here we can write 2, 1 is carry, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, so here we will get 112x plus 1764 is equal to 0. Now here we can use quadratic formula, so we can write here x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over twice a. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 negative 1 1 2, c is equal to 1 7 6 4, or x is equal to minus b is equal to minus 112, negative 112 plus or minus square root of negative 112 square minus 4 times 1 times c 1764 over 2 times 1, or x is equal to minus times minus is plus or minus square root of, now negative 112 square is 12,544 minus 4 times 1 times 1764. Here we will get 7056 over 2 times 1 is 2, or x is equal to 112 plus or minus square root of, here we will get 4488 over 2, or x is equal to 112 plus or minus square root of 4488 can be written as 4 times 1122 over 2, or x is equal to 112 plus or minus, we know square root of 4 is 2, so we can write 2 times the square root of 1122 over 2, or x is equal to, now taking common 2, here we will get 56 plus or minus square root of 1122 over 2. Now this 2 consider this 2, so the final value of x is equal to 56 plus or minus square root of 1122, and it is our final answer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.